So guys, yes, right now I'm short selling Bharati Airtel in the market level now around 768. So let's see how the stock will perform. Right now I've short sold the Bharati Airtel. So guys, yes, welcome to today's live intraday trading. We are trading on Bharati Airtel today, and also you can see the market at the top left side. Yes, the market has opened in a gap down section and it is continuing to go in the downer section itself. The market, when it was opening around 1% down, and now it's almost like minus 1.43% down. So that's why I decided to go short selling on Bharti Airtel now. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform. I think there might be a support somewhere around 762 or somewhere around there. If the market is continuing to fall like this, it can take the support from there, and it can come up, but before that it can go down is what my view is, because you can see this is the 5 minutes candle, and you can see first candle, second candle, third candle, the long wicks have been formed. Okay, even the third candle, which is a green candle, even that it tried to go up, but long wick candle. So that's why I decided to go short selling, because there is no strength towards the buyers. Okay, so guys, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading and want to learn how to make everyday consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you how you can make profit in intraday trading. I'll teach you simple skill to make consistent profit in intraday trading. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to trading. So you can see the stock is taking some of the time to give a movement. Okay, it's not much of a quicker movement here. It is like some of range bounded. Okay, it's kind of range bounded here. So now you can expect some of the fast movement to happen as the range has given a breakout. Okay, so the low made as of now is 765.65. So let's see, I'm planning to take my exit somewhere around 4 or 5 points. I'm not expecting much because the market is too volatile and it can reverse anytime. And you can see how quick the stock reversed here. Okay, that's what I was telling you. There is some key support level around 762 and 763, but it suddenly reversed now. So let's wait for it to come down again, and I shall take my exit somewhere around 764 or 763. Okay, so I'm still waiting for it, and you can see the market is almost touching 2% down, so 1.73% down now. So I'm still holding it, the sell side position. I'm still waiting for it to go down, so let's wait for it. And also guys, if you guys wish to get the live market guidance from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and join us, so that I'll be guiding you in the live market personally, like what trade I take, everything. So all this update you will get. Okay, so it's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support for my course if you join, and I'll be guiding you everything personally. Okay, so you can see here the stock has come down now. So as I was telling, it might touch 764 now, and I can take my exit once it touches 764. And once I take my exit, I'll show you my position after I take exit. So wait for it. So until that, you can see the live trade and how the stock will perform. Yes, as you guys can see, the stock made a low of 764 and I took my exit. Okay, so now it has made a low of 763.50, so almost 4 points above I booked the profit. And the market was very volatile. Yes, the market is 1.75% down, and the Bharti Airtel stock was bit of a range bounded, but later it gave a good movement and I booked my profit. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Bharti Airtel. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.